Today, we're diving into the crucial world of the Oregon DOT number, a must-have for anyone operating a commercial vehicle within the state. Whether you're driving a big rig, a bus, or hauling goods across Oregon, understanding the importance of this number is key to keeping your operation smooth and legal. So what exactly is an Oregon DOT number? It's a unique identifier given by the Oregon Department of Transportation. This number is essential for tracking and regulating commercial vehicles to ensure they meet all safety and compliance standards. If you're driving commercially in Oregon, having this number is not just a good idea, it's a legal requirement. Wondering how an Oregon DOT number differs from a U.S. DOT number? A U.S. DOT number is for interstate operations like crossing state lines and is issued by the FMCSA. For operations strictly within Oregon, you'll need an Oregon DOT number to meet state rules. Who exactly needs this number? If your vehicle has a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,001 pounds or more, or if you're transporting hazardous materials requiring placards, you'll need one. Also, if you're running buses or vans designed for 16 passengers or more, including the driver, it's a must. Understanding whether your operations are intrastate or interstate is crucial. For intrastate, you'll need only the Oregon DOT number. But if you cross state boundaries, federal regulations kick in and a U.S. DOT number will be necessary. Getting your Oregon DOT number involves a process. First, determine if your vehicle operation requires one. Then, gather all necessary business and vehicle information before registering on Oregon Trucking Online. Once you've completed the online application and paid the fees, you'll be issued your Oregon DOT number. Remember, managing your DOT number is an ongoing task. Keeping your information updated and renewing it on time is essential for compliance. The Oregon Trucking Online system makes this easy, offering a platform to update your details and renew your number without a hitch. Compliance and safety are top priorities. Regular vehicle inspections, driver logs, and accurate record keeping are necessary to maintain your Oregon DOT number. Adhering to these requirements not only keeps you legal, but also contributes to safer roads for everyone. Navigating these requirements can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. FMCSA Registration is here to help with all your registration needs. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 for expert assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on how to keep your transportation business compliant and thriving. Until next time, drive safe.